abusia for your mama mo someone bra twa me adan ho akwaba godfather daddy pacho edisi me fa adesede ntu wanim se kosua na mo de chair o tv ni so na efe pa ye ni gi new set ni ho but e wo se ye edi no nka ho so obusa ama me name ma bedwafo se ye no e ya mo nchi nkosua ni bi ma ye na mo de chair sa na ma ye minimum boy ntokom. On a more serious note here baba share ensema hodo na nkrata ne de ba ye no na ya to ho adwen efisempani se nkwan ye da enkwantre sabinom enti se ye dwendwen ho na se etimi bua ma oman no konkan a de wani emu ane eti ebeboa ye nyina na nyansa so ai se sebi kwaya noma na enti ba akofo timi de ne abadwafo na ba ye beje wonom adwenche mensa benkum so pe no honorable Dr. Henry Kobna Kokofu ye deputy CEO Integrated Iron and Steel Development Corporation ono ena wabe ena ora Mutala Mohammed maskepe ena honorable Theophilus Tetechai Greater Accra Regional Secretary Emma NDC Amanyuku no de woto ano no ena yura Mutala Mohammed ono ye General Secretary Emma PPP prepapa preko awekifo no nti ene sisi ya de na de ye pure politics. Serious politicians, it's you can just imagine. Now, so we are hoping, say, you better disagree to agree. You better yet arguments in the debate in Bibia, na we are Ghana kane said ye be ya Ghana ebedin kodem. And somewhere ba ye dwendwen we daily graphic na no pa mi busa mi nuanom na me ne wo mu bobo ho no say national science and maths quiz no ye se si a no e da san mu esam we dance an hwe ye ade a ye nyina ye di gi ani e mamoro aba campaign ye ho na wo be hwe emrantie nie omanfo nie hifafo bi mu a akata slopsa de mufa old school sinembra akatachie high school kuhis mu ye de
kuhis
eno ani kuhis no o say bia opoku wari akatachie o ye mrantie
aha o say ye nyina ye mrantie
ampa mwina mo ye mrantie na obi ani age edu sa time na say edu national one last year can imagine pa na me bom pa sa but anyway Wesley Girls High School the only girls school ye kokodru semi-finals and it was big, you know, green and yellow can be seen in any color. See the green name where the pa ye dine de na just baby na fe ko base sika kakra ye disua de science no kra no wo hwem ade ti omo de sa de ne ba ye ne se de be ya adesua for money mema nyina wo mo ni be je science ho enti e ma no kra de ye sheda wo yi science program kama e ma wo mo na wo mani age se dru ba bi no na obi apa humanities say na e be kakra no ye benya researchers scientists no ene a doctor for ne a nurse for no biomedics ne chemist no ye benya wo mafi he ti se ya nhwe ni ya the back kakra begu edi enti ne se mani ku sika ni ho ene old school boys, old school girls, mufamra ni enti me fankoye adwuma ti ebedi ho nkomo se edi ene ebe ya national science and maths quiz ebe free ni danger zone ni mo na etumi abaye ye be dwendwen ho ye ka school asem no ene ye setede ye be kan Jesuman Senior High School ene chronicle de or the buyer and kwadane sem no keka ye na otwa baby and or the headline say assembly be and your pony near the dance ten or the headline say when dollars are flowing coins are making noise na school penny for I take a decision e won kwadano ade no ho say the betimi an say waiting e beka say ma mu nko school and your mobile den in emum ye beyi mo afi boarding na mo afi aba awofo nhwe mo so eno so amanfo say the NGOs ne say no that punishment is too harsh me anopa no ma chema dwen kakran say ayi de me dia wada ho enim before ni abedwefo na ba wo ma dwen ye wo mu sen na ya twen generally ye mai suku komo to aso suku no ye se kosua de ana say go and do other things extracurricular activity but indeed it's this one an extracurricular activity worth of its sort here ebeboa yen ana afei Airbus and pay President David topics in my say I'm tired I'm a bread, but we'll be talking about because and now here and so and in nemu and say Airbus enya assemnunya NC and she said the criteria be by Martinami don't politicize Airbus saga. In fact, Enra special prosecutor the letter about Bontia will say there is reasonable suspicion say corruption be akoso baby nti asem no wasom ya ye de man joada na de chimp na da ne na wotwe pepepe wo si wa fiti ase a wo ye emu enhwehwemu nti ye bedi sa asem no eho enkomo na asem odi to Japan ni say on pese mo be politicize. Can we do that for the special prosecutor ama wotumi aye ne dwuma no kama independently na say o the report ba o manfo so age atum say ampa report yi di eye krochen enti we need someone to pay ye bedi hon komo ka ho ne man komo ne ewie pay enti keep your comments coming Facebook eye UTV Ghana bredu so a ye be kenkan dia ma me ma badwafo na kwa ba wuranom ma mo akwa ba o
ajo so abro ma
mi wuranom na mo ho ye mo fanche me ma e mo say school for no timi bisa bom ti ai se bi je so ebi nye so
enyina aje so
enyina ma aje so ye da mo ase pa ni so mo da aje a
honorable tete cha na ne buafu bato no kra waje so
na tabe na akọ share na komam tabe na akọ share na komam
starting the propaganda
I would say ya akọ share papa ya komam we say ne buafu
2020 ni hu.
Oh really?
Ana yesia
2 months. Oh,
ampa isia was ampa
me wo akra ni o kama
ene wa fe ene ka se wa fe no
ene wa ndivi
ah kwa wo bi de na video o e de ba se wo hu de wa ko fa ba wa fe we fe na wa fe wo e ja Butala Mohammed wo se MPP ni NDC for na enya na
an so wonim se omo bie bi se nkwada na ye be ka omo asem nti enu anu no
sa ale omo ji omo ni dodo
ani
agro omo ni so
pa
yeah championie ene e beti asim mo ma me dade e chana me she so it is well ene mo ma ye fa sa ni je ni sidie ya na ye ni nkomo enkwada ya semi ye kan wi na afi ya behwe National Science and Maths quiz enti doctor una di kan back ani enkwada ya semi ye be kan ni say parenting na afi die suku mpanimfo na enye wo modwuma yi enkwada na enkwada abone ni wo mu ntetea hi na ye nyina collectively oman ya to sini nti ama na enkwada ni ko say or ye de behye technology
mamema ahwefo nyina achi anopai
ye just
we de fache me na anopai kumase huhuru so Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Baumia on mpanimfo ho a omo ye nchechre ne ye boy ibia
mo friend is saying
a friend town hall meeting
Debbie
results fair results fair na town hall meeting ni dikamba
okay
obema address no
okay
achechre ne mem na chese fair no asue ahodo ne aban nyumaku ahodo be de dane madi
okay
agriculture minister of agriculture at the say Dr. Usuefree no jina ho education behu Dr. Matu Pukprempe jina ho all the sectors no mo Daniel Medi no cheche ne mem ti mentimi anko because mo se menka
ye da wa se o ka ha ma ye
nti anuanu ma ho jina na otumfo asanteme awura on esi naso
okay
ebe chia no president so se be ma na chia no pe yes nkola na asem no na me hwe graphic kro na hwe page 3 sa national science quiz so akofa ba
no so be kan as our second topic
da bi ye kan nyina bom ya
ye kan nyina bom
sa wo hwe sa nkola na eye nkola bonesem de no ha no abehwe nkola na nso a
anka wo de wo fa wo take ewo nkola bonesem ne hu wi a se de be ya wo nkasa bebre na unu amoso ntena se nye da
oh se mi wie na maka wo masema mo ma wo mo ha no say
there be any say ko
I was 25 minutes
you know anzi akrada
any say ko wo mo
no anzi ejam kwa mam kofi
there be wo de mesre wa ma me me time na manya accusation so let's say you started at 8:40 by 8:50 you should be there
exactly studio ye mama yo de bia ba say da hati but Adekye I heard you be pedro I am me ye do mas ya mo high fence so
yes ye da mo
yes I reho enya de anika
okay
nso mahunu bi na ye mpanifo ya na circulate video no enya de kwa ye ne ya na ye che mahu se chronicle the aba
an excitement and I say yahudre ne nwanwa eye yemunti
ni nyina kambo
all right
hudre ene jese mo hwe de ekoso na wo yese chronicle wakatakata nkola nanim so meanwhile o man so
actually I know who watch channel we so my blare omo and the first question was anankola omo mu 18 ana and I'm say anomo kro omo de omo no the phone is omo ni share say but then they are ignorant into omo nim tie ya nim no de e behoves on us e be nim
and feel so the ethics of journalism demand so enti ayarehosem na adwosoman at it again mo ka be sem fie nsia sese mu an adwosoman hokure na si teacher ni bi no ho na odi sa adwuma no one nkwada na deda some kai eno ho asem ba
I'm saying no headmaster no reverend father bia na
yes eno ho asem ba bebrebe
ko for ahemfu du kra wo
yes and na other schools bebrebe so wo ho a we nyina ekoso na indeed ade a atena yesuku mu ache
okay
atena yesuku mu sansem ya nkoda yiye atena yesuku mu ahodo na ache over the years na technology crew ya odonfu kunfu ana ne afedi akoba se won eda won ho adi ne yebo na deja na se woye owofo na obani a ode anim guase na april se obani a ode anim guase abrɛ busia no ode abrɛw enane eja me sure say parents ni nyina be si ontrase e wani wo mu de ye parents ye makono on de ne pad ne ade pa ba fia ye ne gi ye de hoahoa ye ho nyeza na o hwe me status a
share ni monyam
ya hwe me status o be
okay
ha nipa bibiri afrɛ me a comment o ma e tro ye a comment ni nyina ye animonyam sha abofra de be hye na gya na ne na enti won gu wan wofo anim ase agu wan busuan anim ase ansa na sukuu na wom no mate se sukuu pani bi minim se ho sa sukuu na pani bi na oblemu parents den yes of course we bet me blame parents but at the material time na omo ye we no they were in your custody omo wo sukuu no akachi enti sukuu no social contractor sukuu ni parents wo I ti a friend board and say yeah je oba no na de na tena ha na ya tenetene no na ya boa no ama na sua homa na ya ma ntete wo nyamesuro mu ana muslim sum na afi ankra hu kuta hudie so ya kire wo na ya kire wo ahunidie ene kasapa eti se akoba se nkola ni bi display otherwise school no asese si ontrase wa ni wo of course abofra onye na onye obe ne de obe ka de wiase de asofo ho anu be ka de obe ya ne bi a obe
okay
enti we ya aba ne sei no asotwe bi eho bi amfa ma mofra no ma won nya awofo no wo
but who see school ni mom na eso mani wo akwala no so ofrifie ne course
american kan awofo de
okay
american kan ti nam say awofo no si ontrase wa ni wo
okay
any family no
okay
medical kan enti a shared responsibility akola ne kona o esele a we nkola ya wa ha wo mu esele wo science school si
okay
teacher fo ne gina won chen no school ne gi animonyam
okay
so ho akola ne ko na o shine a animonyam ne ka school no na afen so animonyam ka awofo no nti a shared responsibility the third party a wo mu ye the state or mine no the third party ayo mine no o mine ne hina ene ye nyina as society enunti se o mine ma no e wo tibia bim ana ekotibia bim a enya o mine no wo twaka wo and in this case Ghana Education Service a wo gina mu ama Ministry of Education ntempa wo mu yehu niam wo mu di gu akwam na other schools a saa niam we num no kokokoso na nya meda abonten de ani bi sia no kwan afi se maka se punishment no mu nyi awofo no wo they should
on na punish awofo
no sometimes your friend near do be gina ho ana do betena se near ye kan bad ye ne ade a wa ye nyina ne ade kire wo ne ade a form of punishment.
You know that's exactly what happened.
So what
awofo ne wo ho na nkwada ne wo ho na ye bisa wo
ye interrogate
no aha yeah the say omo ye bia now school decision omo take ye no awo 40 a school for it and all the two omo
yes enti ade a ha adwene ne ade ba akonsu wo mu say obanya obi nkase koto no twene bola so this is not an opportune time for our for to disown mofra no
yeah
ebra wo mu hia amoani titie enti asofo no wei asofo papa no nsori papa no omu wei yenkremu somo a omu wei this is the time society opinion leaders wei we no makoye maaye ye ma me no hemfo no ne ahema no ene ma mpanifo a mabobra komanim na mo wonyina so mo wei mutum hu sio na mo cancel sa mo free na nye wonko asukuu ahodo aka ne ade nyina titiri girls schools ne ade yetu ho asio ne yetimi anya adaje bra no enu adi nkuta ho a ayi e ma me ne enu ama no ye ade bia ne manage papa afi bosumi bia aglo mukosi abompaye no me ade on fanka on dwumadie ho say outreach programs on betimi bra no betimi atu anamo akokọ saa sukuu maya num bi ne enu adidi nkuta ho mesre won say ekwan wom na sikasem wom a omomwa na omunye saa de na maye efi say breadu se yeya oman no amaye nyina so a yetimi akompempenso bi no yeda yesu ne yeban adi na yeben won a eba no mofra no na yetimi mental won mo mentorship ade a natural se ba natural na nye bribia na nipa no beba ho abeji moa ana abebisa wo also you can make approaches na wahwe say yeteneteno ye jani nyina abo a teacher for ene school for no so nko a enye
Ana what at a chai ye you share say punishment ba ye no ku bi ahya se NGO say nkwala ne right punishment no anu a shedodo nti saa no nka kwala no ye mpanish wo mo ana ebi su kra ka say enye wo mo ebri a ye wo mu civilization enti eden ye betumi ai
yo me da se me fa chia kese ma etiefo nyina omo mo hwe anope dwumadie ne o mu ne say yes punishment you see punishment the reform punishment also serve as a deterrent from others since be ya near AC no also be gina no so no can say oh ade we obi ye say na ye no nti enya ade a me so me yes ade ni bi but ye bi say who say dien na akofa sa nyima nyina aba
okay
enka diti no tama ye nyina ye wo school no na social media eni hono na even television krampo no o pe TV ahwe age se wo ko salai asa wo betumi ahwe TV enti no na access to nyama e betumi edire nkwada e wade suanu mu no na very very less sometimes so no na ye schools enye that congested time no so na discipline e wo hono mo na mpanyifo a ye de omo adida schools ano say omo nhwe nkwada in terms of boarding houses no na house masters no na bebre were up to tax na ye de amomo no because na motivation so e wo hono mo say no near cost no social media play about 70% or 80% of problems are say nkwada fifa femu na me kai say maybe no you can say anka be ya ye schools you preventing nkwada from using mobile phones na be ya asem kase wo mem a say be parents ni bi kura no na omoni nji ho say ye man nkwada no access to the use of mobile phones in the schools because some feel say there was so munya kwan no muni nkra no edin kita hundie because say time ayen wo school no edu Saturday si na wo bompa say o papa ba ebeba extra but say no sa sort of interaction ni kra no any obium because papa ni feel say onya fa phone na obefre ne ba e obi sa ne say ohun ti say adesua ekoso I don't know communication be a enye face to face
okay
I say barrier bi ewom nti enipa no ni obeka ebe ya ode no obeka akire but oko school no mu na uni uba no ekonya interaction ebi sometimes we be do school ni kra no na house master e wa around and na teacher bi e wa around who parents no be frɛ na waka je say uba no hwe ni yie na brabo wo school no mu no enya ade a ana say na brabo wo dormitory ni nyamanyama no enya ade a so eni but say no sa nyama ni nyina ejai atu ho no mu ye feel say the manico school a it was say access to mobile phones.
Still, it is against GES rules and regulations say put the mobile phone because school. Intina
me started me make nyama to be say one lack of supervision, effective supervision.
On whose part?
On the part of schools no.
Okay, nya say be a GES supervise schools no. Na mom schools no supervise nkwada no.
Yes, say no e call from kra. Nkwada no omunsa entumi.
What's your basis?
Oh, say home. School ejuma ewo ho nimu yi. Ewo nyeme bebre a odi tu kwan mu a e ma school ko improve.
Okay.
One access to facilities one. Now make access to facilities are unya a situation where school kwada are so congested in a dormitory. House master na kansa no mpono. He finds it very difficult to monitor Sankwadano. That is one. Two, Bani say, house master enya kwine and to me monitor Nkwadano. Nkwadano, enya nyome bebrea at the blind side of the house master and the house mistress. Nia ma de no cry ye west say house master and house mistress enya motivated to do their job. And also count. And the thirdly, indiscipline on the part of both students and then teaching and non-teaching staff.
Okay.
Because and that Ghana memoir yeti, you can't indiscipline. And you can't anipo.
You be indiscipline.
In penny for no cry, worse off. A headmaster, assistant headmaster, and a headmistress, and I say, senior house master, Edin Kardashian in some. Say onu hwe say obetumi atinitini nkwada no onu krampo ana obeden obe corrupting nkwada no because of ebia bibia obenya efri omunchen ebe a won say school abafra etumi edi nyama fifie odi nyama fifie odi abe school no odi bi ekwa koma ni house master na house mistress as a gift. Yes, it happens. So house master house mistress obeji sa anyama no ono so dey hwe ni nkwada e wo fie.
If you are parents na the man say je come house master say ejuma oye.
Sure, it is a won't boarding house da. Now the maker ono so or jiso. A lot of things happen. Oh, it
but
takes,
in those days now these lot of things were not happening.
They were happening in America no. But where supervision is very strict now. Some of these things can be on net.
Okay.
What you say? But say no, I say, Bibia ye bisi basa. Nkora ne dosun e wo schools ni mu. Facilities no e ni ho no mu e mom. Enti omo be supervision ni kra no. There's no motivation for supervision.
There's two different things. I'm not getting a whole picture ni enkwala ne dosun. Facilities ni ho.
Exactly.
How does that one affect your motivation to supervise them?
Eno America no. Ebia house master. Obetumi ahwe ebia nkwada be say 20.
Okay.
What you say? One masa house master no nkwada be say 100.
Okay.
Definitely. You are making supervision very difficult for that person. Inti challenges need there different. Now, social media crowd na ma asem no aye worse. Inti na ye nyina ye fo aso say mobile phones ye dey man nkwada di ko school no. Enya ade a wo say as parents no yeah. But parents no being so feel say omu need time man kwada no. Na say we need time emma oba. When say nyama say na oma no e dey bebro. What you say? Enti the use of the social media no is a danger.
Yeah. Mostly we call more backgrounds and these ones we call more backgrounds, enye eyibia but eye oni be forma ma me ne papa ma enti eho kakra no so na che ya adwen no
menua nya waka no ye nukre but in most of the schools are yehu no nkwada omu influence most of nkwada yi are even children from very good homes.
Oh really?
Yeah, because most of the children from very good homes, sometimes class supervision they have the resources available. Parents in the field say the resources can take care of the children. Into ube no, some kwadano ena ebako edi pressure ebe to other children na almost schools ni mo.
Okay.
Because onu nyama onu we no, who are bofana who fi not well to do home no, hu sa nyama.
Okay.
Phone ya ye kan ibo. Kwada ni baby phone kura mu hu bi da. Children from these affluent homes no, and of these gadgets no, eba.
I see.
What you see? It's at the end of the day no, obe you see social media no, am kwada na hu nyama bebre a wo say dey omu hu. Enti in some na dey want to me
yeah. Futufra.
Yeah.
Mutala awo fon so master supervision enye difficult my teacher for no and as a school authorities me ma kwala ne phone o di amano just because o pese o ne obakasa trust ni ho ana enye se wo benya akwala no ne na nya nkita ho ntina omo visiting days ewo.
Well, first of all, my mean so enchia with viewers no.
Okay.
Na yeah, I was out here say me I can't make enye twi me kabom the fafa until me make aka
mate
o hwe ya zima nkra be
ebi bebe wo mate
am say my main fan from a different angle kakra.
All right.
We papa be black American be a friend of Du Bois.
William.
I saw a lot of things about the black community, and one of the problem of the black community in any identity, a friend with two-ness.
Okay.
Two, as in one, two. Or see the two-ness.
Okay.
Good. The problem we have in this country with such issues, we have the two-ness problem.
Okay.
Your name baby ayeko say yenko enim ana say yenjina baby ayejina no kakra.
Okay.
Enim. Because you see, these children, for example, if you look at the way we are thinking, we are looking up to the West. That's our problem. These kids, if you by that standard, they are in college. There's no problem in America. This thing is nothing. Apart from the social media thing, the video. But the thinking of what they are thinking is normal. I know you travel. You know what I'm talking about. The problem of Ghana is say, debia ye pese ye ko enim, but yendru. We want to copy somebody's culture. Again, it is not our culture. That is the problem of the phone you are thinking. And yes, Adia, why will the phone be something that you give to your child when you know you have signed to a document say you don't have to give the child a phone?
Omo college say omo de omo to American kwala ho American kwala omo college no omo adwen ni niam omo de ba abonten no ebi ne e de ba abonten.
Yes, if you follow.
Ah really?
Yes, I'm telling you.
That's vulgar.
It's yes.
That's indecent. That's what children who are from well brought up homes.
No, that's honorable argument. I don't even agree with that. I don't think it is from affluent home.
I'm saying that American kwala no, they won kwala omu free efiemu.
I
mean, if I say efiemu well brought up homes, they wouldn't go that vulgar, they wouldn't go that raw, that's indecent. I'm
saying that, so I'm talking about the thinking first. I'll come to the video.
Adrena or more
Adrena, yeah,
minimum America for what quarry with
so. David, me see. Adrena, ewa minimum so I complaining say nkoda like kids are almost 30 way here.
Yeah.
So our thinking is what I'm trying to address first.
Problem, Anna.
That
we are thinking that our children are doing this.
Thank you.
Oh, really?
Make catch omohonomo no. Omohonomo no. So I'll bring you Miba. Okay. The video is the problem. Yes, but I'm telling you our problem. Meaning who are your parents no. Our problem is that the thinking say, Nkwana say. That's the biggest challenge we have today. That is it. So
me try to me decipher. And yeah, I dream say ye may e den no mu ye nkole nkosu ade hwede omode ba no ye wo thinking problem.
No, I'm telling you, your tuners, your name there we don't know which one to accept. In your culture no wrong. But we have grown to understand say the way to go is the Western way. So now, oh no, I'm telling you, in the Western world, the thinking is not wrong. But
we have made them so. Look, because we have our culture. And then
we have
Jane said, oh, said the abrofo ye no na brocha
so I've told you, it's the identity, the tuners. That's our problem.
All right.
So we don't know which one is correct. You see, we have fall back to our culture. On the other flip, we'll run to them. We don't know what we want. The point is that,
the two.
Thank you. We have to follow Nietzsche. Nietzsche, opese o fly ya, e say o crow, o nanti, and sana wa fly. Ye pentem dudu. When we did say NGO, catch GES, you don't have to punish the children like that. I'm going to say a cake. What do you think is the thinking of their cake? It's a thing I'm calling your attention.
Cake, actually.
We all light ourselves. We are in a hurry to run.
Now so be can that may bounty na we bro for sad.
Okay. I can't remember. So it's a what team I see who background no. We rush. That's what they are doing. First of all, I'm not sure the NGO they know the extent of the damage. Or I'm not sure they know. I'm not sure if they know say warning that. I'm not sure. I'm not sure the NGO they know even the punishment of wielding a mobile phone on campus. I'm not sure they know.
Me, I have a problem with article no mukoti here from the children's rights charter. African charter no 16 and 17.
You are in Ghana, you say the thing strong, then you go and quote charter.
Or say well, you sue UN yeah UN member state, or you sue African Africa 4. But so because every child has the right to education.
Who stopped them?
And Kwalesi and Kaseme school. They said you deboardinize you.
That's what we do in this country. These NGOs, when they speak and these CSOs, you have to listen and decipher. They are part of the problem. They are funded by some multi-whatever, and they keep pushing ideas that are alien to us. I'm not saying that we should stick to our... I'm a progressive, you know.
Okay.
I believe...
I'm ready,
Thank you. Okay. However, these guys, they push us to the tether. We are not dead. You see the way they are bringing us back. As far as I'm concerned, I don't know the detail for which they were punished in that manner.
Okay.
And so, Ebe didn't say, me condemn you. What I know is that what the Nkoyana ya no, Omaya Mfunso. They are first of all. Why do you, that's the law. What do you phone at school number 1? Number 2, why a video? I'm a viral.
Okay.
So you need to be punished. As for the punishment, I'm not there to be able to prove how severe or not severe it is.
Okay.
Another thing that we need to also look at is poverty.
Oh
here, look, you need time, my young kwada. Because me, I'm thinking about how to make the next meal, or maybe my family will feed on.
And enough excuse and now make him now. Why now they manage?
I'm telling you,
make him baby. That's the
reality. That's the opportunity cost. Or you don't think it's a reality in this country that people go leave home at 5 and come back after 11? Don't you know there are parents who cannot control their child because they can't pay? Or no or fear every day. But until me control Nibano because he can't until me and supporting Nibano. The doctor
just because Minisika me de be mounty wasn't bar maminka.
See, you don't know. I'm telling you, if you like do simple research, go to every of the Zongo or ghettos around. Go, you see it. Because you see, you don't have the moral high ground to control the child because on the she goes around and
okay.
She fend for herself. She survived. People they sleep with children because of tea and food, lunch, and what have you. I'm serious. I'm telling you, if you go, you find out.
And a way a problem no more to
I'm telling you. So you see, every day we close our eyes to the real problems and we just look at the small one and make a lot of noise. At the end of the day, the problem persists. Now let me take you back to this.
Yeah, now come to take me back.
Oh, this indiscipline. Oh, just 2 seconds. This indiscipline and supervision and what have you that we are talking about. Look, the truth is that this thing has been in existence for a very long time. It has been in existence for a long time. What we have to do is ensure that we discipline the people when it happens. Because the fact that social media, I will be interested, this thing did not happen in my secondary school. It happened.
It did?
Yes, of course. Not me catch us time it will not be on social media.
Okay.
But we hear say some assume see aka video be akwadawa.
Okay.
We know that at entertainment we do all these things when we were growing up.
Okay, that's
so
true.
For me, I think the punishment after what happened is more important than concentrating on the thing itself because Achina ebesibi.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yes,
quick one. Your man is clear. So say experience. Your 70% responsibility of taking care of Mofrano. Yeah, normally from Sunday baby happen. Share I'm Roberts near to bottom for near with the four this animal. Only I am Crawford. Only I am. Now no one at Tiffy anymore. Anymore Subai nominated. It as much as I agree, say parents you that responsibility about 70%. Yeah, can say a young for man now say I want to hobby no do baby a near Juma papa. Yenum penifo bebrebe no mni ade anopa me mpese mebobodin bebrebe penifo bebrebe a o manom eye niema emfata
okay
wo mo wobi kutasi kado onko school akese to case mo mutenem
okay
so wo ye niema emfata na that notwithstanding yentimi nyina we so en condemn emofra e woga na nyina in totality. We have equally brilliant and intelligent kids out there.
Yeah.
That's true.
One wo nyina so papa no mo ye de papa abofra bi wo de mobile phone mana ade a ode be ada yentia na maya from school they say Wesley Girls School or Krapim Akropon na Mampon Methodist Girls we call USA ekoje robot championship the president on 2 occasions. So ni nyina science and technology. We will not condemn science and technology because say kwadani be the year it is so key to our development and industrialization. Rather, supervision and
and your Ghana Education Service. I was say Friday, Prof. My chair Friday, my time kakrawai near Mompunimpu. Say almost supervision was schools national circuit supervisors, school supervisors. Still, are they doing it?
Yeah. Pacho, sorry. Yeah, as much say we call on authorities to do. Yeah, we are also not helping as society. Most of us.
Yeah, we are not helping society. Okay.
You see ourselves as icons. So we are society.
Okay.
But you too say wo ada ebinum nyom tire ho ni ade na nkola ni nsa ensua ebinum twetwom trazam na nkola ni nsua enti say wo nyina so papa wo society ni mu a de na wo ye de impact on near
if it's akola bi hwe wasua so then mutala asem na okan ye no two-ness.
That's how we don't know.
Two-ness.
Yeah. So enti copying wrongly and I'm mentoring and sir mentorship it's not coming. I sorry grouping so much youth groups no me
I'm not sure
the just a minute. Yes.
I believe largely say the ACC away schools no is largely lack of supervision.
Oh, they still stick to your stance.
I'm a teacher. I know what I'm talking about.
Oh, okay, now try there. Oh, you still teach?
It was my MP, so I know.
You know, okay.
Teacher. School beer management. Omuni kwada ho no. At the end of the day no, start school kwada no, omu pie even kwa bontin a you see that level of discipline in them. Make me ding. But I believe, sir, you understand what I'm talking about.
I do.
Exactly. And you know, it plays a very key role. And in America, say, your school setting, we need to sit up and then restructure the system. Because look, you can't overcrowd people.
Is it today?
No.
Where are you going?
No.
When you going,
you
are going up tangent. This means baby, I also won't come. No. This is so serious for you to go there. This is so serious.
It's a social issue.
Yes, social issue. Don't go there. Don't go there. Akwala no say oni school kra. No be yan kwala boni say
I know you fight.
Yes, of course, but you see.
But I am surprised because I thought say young word.
Yes, and the tangent you are going, because let me tell you, free SHS, getting more kids is far better than leaving them on the street.
Yeah, but that's another. I agree with that.
And that is what his point is going.
No.
I agree with that point, but his point is also right.
What kind of point?
The truth is that it's better to bring the children into the classroom than outside.
Good.
That is fact. But that's not the argument.
That's the argument. That's the argument. And now he's talking about congestion. Where does congestion go?
When you
I will not allow you to
supervise them, they become better.
Thank you. Doctor, who preempted the obeka? Afe yentie dia opeso kan kasa. Ora bo tete chai.
You see, young teacher for when the classroom is manageable, am I very effective?
Manageable class, I will say what a class of
a certain number. What you say? Who teacher no? Nkwadano unsa etumi esu omu nyina so. The weak, the strong. What you say? You are able to identify weaknesses because of the numbers. Okay? It may say, Nyamana Ekuko so no. These are some of the things as managers of schools, no. I will say yes.
Okay.
Say it's not about Nkwadawo school.
Okay.
No. It is not about Nkwadawo school. But you are talking of near Nkwadano Edibefi school no aba.
So let's do
and
it.
You are looking at discipline.
Watch also what try there.
Who should discipline?
Those days, you know, not class size exercise or school population exercise.
And the idea I was a maker because even some of the schools were empty.
You see, me baby, I'm call school. No, muji few people. No, omo.
But you know the reasons behind it.
Yeah. During my year, 98, unim nipa omoje saying 250 or so. 250 no. People were crying, say, and Kwalani Dorso. I don't know, Maji Bibia. And they used to say that Mamino headmistress Ajay all Tom, Dick, and Harry. It's any time Nkwala be misbehavior, and those misbehavior, then misbehavior, but misbehavior pet me besu, dear girls, you know they are accusing me. I've admitted all Tom, Dick, and Harry. Please be of good behavior for me. I say, Mrs. Tom say we won't do that again. The girls will remember. And so, and they go to the school. They are more than that. It's a number necessary because that time they say we were many, and we're not even up to 300 or 400.
No, but who's there?
Can I make my...
Yes, Mutala.
Look, first of all, you see, free education, it is our policy.
Okay.
And their group.
All right.
It is not something I'll even listen when you're arguing to tell me, say, baby.
Okay.
But like I told you, Ghana, your name baby, that's my biggest challenge.
Yours is a different point.
No.
It boils down to young penifoni and I say we should know what we want. The chatabia idea and sabesha no. It was say you're domesticating to suit our culture.
So the point I'm making
is about supervision.
I'm saying that. So the point where Kukufu came in, I'm saying it's right, but it's different. The truth is that we need to bring every child into the classroom. There's no doubt about that.
That one is accepted.
That is accepted. Yeah. And again, what Chai is saying is also true. So right now that they are in class, we have to do what Chai is saying. We have to do everything possible to make sure that there is supervision, there is sufficiency, what have you, so that we improve upon that child.
Okay, so how do we do the supervision?
No, it's a matter of time. That's their problem. That's one of the NDC's problem. They're in a hurry. They want to jump the thing. It is one after the other. So they are all canon. It's what we have to now concentrate and start doing and doing. With time we'll get there. We always want to fly. That is our problem in this country.
Argument based on the educational setting.
Okay.
Well, it's rather unfortunate Minyano dream that political.
Okay.
I wouldn't have started it that way.
Another anymore. Oh, more. You know what you
say. Yes,
oh, school muhonomono. There were managers. Obia won rua who play.
Okay.
What you see? Now, a bed send a nipa na who play ni role no. Their outcomes and not the beba. Obetumi nya good outcomes. Say ejumana all ye no. Ninsa etumi me say na missing be kan wotwi no.
Ninsa so ejuma ne so.
Exactly.
Okay.
You don't give the person more than he or she can chew.
Okay.
What you here?
Okay.
Into no nyama na ACCCC no e was say ye hwe those areas no. Hwe motivation of head you from saying house masters ni house
mistresses no.
It's also a factor.
Okay.
Wo de adwuma hye enipa nsem. Enipa na wo de adwuma na hye ni nsem no. There's no motivation on the job.
Okay.
And so minwa ono so be ye adwuma no. That is the truth.
I know about the channel.
Me say me teacher ni.
Yeah, mama sat ya sat we no yan kwa another topic. Yeah.
But we say obeti ni supervision.
The last say
yes.
I don't know. It's so political to the sense that some person obeti bibia.
Tie me na me chechiro. 4 of us.
Okay. Okay.
Because we na see o school meeting no. And ye hammer on schools. But we should accept say the whole canker, the whole problem. Social moral decadence with society.
We are agree to it.
See, o mine na team no. Ya sitting mu ayete no. See ye di ehuni. Nyesa wo address ya wo ye. Nemum ye bobrapa ene ade no. Ayade a akofom wo mamu ni nyinara. Sad ye huni, one can say a young quadam company for sorry. How many times in young video a sophonum binum a ye a maya kayaka dear in the name of God. And here young who you mem Mukra Sabe, my room penny for your sonia dear, we will you the kind of sexual harassment a cause. And in your mahudra a binumi. Pay and the young who say. Then ye fear mu say ye jitum say ye awofo ye was 70% responsibility bringing our kids. We could do 30% pay school.
Okay.
On the suban ni fifie ye ko wura school ahodo no.
Okay.
I agree say peer pressure no. Na me mo asem bi America Kuhis Ranty High School. Ya na ye si near din. Mo say high school boy school. You near didn't you say high school for uncle I am bon.
Okay.
But for all of a sudden, high school ni akola bi obeyini bia, obewin high school di bia very responsible, well articulated and all that. Dr. Aduchum, Deputy Minister for Education. Abrantie.
Oh, I see.
We are so many in the system. Here boa society enomniade. I want here school be cry because the school idea. Wo mo ya sura bofo for.
Okay, points well noted. Thank you. My share Arefono.
One can with a new. Just a simple one. Look, it's very important, sir.
Thank you.
Moisha Bodon is a role model, and she has a lot of following than Elizabeth Ohini. Gift you have any does yourself put together. That's the society that you are sitting on. And you are not seeing.
And what is projecting it?
So the idea
yeah, go Facebook and there can most so much say. Now John Nealante found a point come to BBC. Or say I haven't watched the video, but I understand their language was very obscene and vulgar. Hence, demodernizing is less of a punishment. They should face twice the music to serve as a deterrent to others. Nana Yao Kwesi Ajimendia says, good morning, Sister Ya. The Honorable NDC should know it is lack of supervision. And I'm a student teacher, and I know what I'm also saying. It is really lack of supervision, but not in terms of the number. And even the free SHS has reduced the number of students in class due to the double track. Musa Abatwa says, yeah, I totally agree with the school authority. The swift response was in order. However, don't you think what these girls are engaging in is as a result of double track wahala? On the flip side, petrol price has gone up, hence affected liquefied petroleum gas. This substandard government don't care about the plight of the ordinary Ghanaian. They promise to reduce petroleum taxes in order to ease something. So I'd say, enyemia, wow, na. Antonio Ben Oka Airbus. Na sesi you know time you so na swing. Nenso can be see me trouble the accusation bia.
Oh yeah,
So let's do quick. National Science and Maths quiz. Honorable Tetechai, still on education. Edian ye ya engu because for lack of funds, Charles actual letter say omuntumi nya regional no my national one no. Inti afiye mo say ni ahwe which school is leading and which school base school be na etitito.
I believe say near was your educational authorities was omuye. Now you to me sustaining idea no I will say yeah.
Okay.
Countries are developing, it's as a result of maths and science.
Okay.
Usha Krobiti say India, one of the densely populated countries in the world. Third. What is here?
Classrooms, sir.
But
Doc Monsieur, time Mr. Honorable Tetechai Pacho Kasa.
But won. Baby I will be Fabia India Bontin so no. Most of the schools no math, science, technology, those type of things.
Yeah.
And no I mind despite population no economy no it grew.
They have even taken over
exactly.
UK.
What you say?
In technology,
everything. Adekye Nsroma in 1993.
Okay.
Thereabout. I generated a lot of interest because all students, I believe say, one measure, the children school no, TBM What you say? Aside that, you know, Emma young kwada na omo schools na omo through mathematics and science no omunya odobi e was our subject no.
Okay.
So at the end of the day no enhance omano economic development.
Thank you.
What's your
quick one Mutala?
Well, I think that it is the corporate organizations that must go and help.
Omo sponsor na.
Because say omo nko horror. This thing will die naturally. The truth is that, and yes, a government person on support to government on Niska. Sometimes we push them too hard.
Okay.
So if you are battling to even bring 60% of Nkarana any school to class, you can't come and be concentrating on science and math quiz, however important it is.
Okay.
So for me, I think the corporate institution must be approached. Right. To sponsor this thing, which is it's not expensive. On betting me, and Jamunja in Sana, any entertainment.
Okay. Coming here, if we wouldn't have Yakutu, Deputy CEO,
Maslock, okay.
When you say, what day, Mammy Fuakut.
Okay.
Who's on it with Deputy National Organizer?
Chibani.
Yeah, I'm Chibani.
Okay.
Omo Wario.
Weekendy.
What's now?
Oh,
it's now 1 o'clock.
NDC
okay.
NDC MPP. Now, very, very interesting. Entina now Chibani.
Why are you laughing?
Entina Chibani.
What's yourself go on?
Entina Chibani. Me can't know again. That is over family aba. Entina maga koto ho.
Chibani, mami efuakoto, ye mama trim kwa, ye mama awari. So, just say and found ya baby obi ejina. Love can find you.
Yes.
Afi.
We no ya no busa say yes ni nyina no mo ye den no mo fund.
Mission and many dear way back JSS no. I think they're not brilliant. Unilever na obi. That time Liver Brothers no mo so poor brilliance. And then to better brilliant science and math quiz. Along the line, anti be one to better national science and
anti wada mam sraw. Ye musem.
Okay.
Just for a president in here, you must say not all along no more funding sources away.
Okay.
Say a buying through Ghana Education Service and funding woman. Let us know.
Okay.
Na say no ti omo funding bi wa you must why. Since you say you won and a funding. Na mom na won means omo dey sponsorship na bia a dry out and also we should know how.
But some more sponsors also. There are some few
so
sponsors.
it doesn't make sense to me.
Good. So let us find out. And then again, a corporate responsibility.
Okay.
Corporate social responsibility or sometimes misplaced. We share sika. The binume will be a sen war. Human who do bim. Emfa sunsan so papa biam shadam reying.
I don't want to mention names.
Yeah. Now
we are so profit oriented. Enti baby almost to say the sika will get more fair.
It's bigger than any of them.
Corporate responsibility. All right.
Even Science of Mass
is
equally good platform like any other event in this country.
Thank you.
You can't doubt that.
Now we now can be no say what there in now can.
Normally, no schools, no levy nkwadano.
Okay.
That has been the traditional practice.
That's the source of funding.
Yes.
Okay.
Because we say, at the
NMSQ levy.
Okay. At the regional level, no. At the regional, we almost started from that level. The districts, zones in Yamani, no move building up. Then they come to the regional level. To move your and some beba the national.
Okay.
Now, edu national na. I say honumuna obia any ewo. But prelims, you know, from the beginning, you know, what they go through, you know, and no na challenge. Amom. Mo pese anke be ya. Omudi asem to dwasen esi be ya. It will come to light.
But it also says that even national can home. Because according to Charles, letter now President Alhaji Yakubu Abi Abubakar Asanye on say they can't do regional and national. Dated February 26th and copied to all regional directors of education, Charles Chairman and so. This is what they say that the national science and maths grades at the national levels as a result of inadequate. Let me take it from the first paragraph. Conference Affairs of Assisted Secondary School says it will be difficult for schools to organize their students for this year's national science and maths quiz at the regional and national levels.
As a result of inadequate funds.
So, any zone to regional and to national.
Because now, Ukraine, ube basic.
Those days, now how did they found?
But he's just
American. Levy.
Because
the levy
levy
no, you mean tia levy the other, the baby a levy. To without tia.
If you know school fees packaging, the school fees are 600 and school fees are 1,000.
Be beyond the politics. Be beyond the politics.
I am not credible. Obisa no. Ebi ono no. Onya school fees breakdown. Enti ebi ana wo de breakdown na.
That's all. It doesn't go through.
It's your entertainment. Hold on. Mama, when you say it's your entertainment.
Okay.
Do you know what entertainment is used for? What you say?
Okay.
They factor into it. Okay. Man can say you didn't know.
He doesn't go through it. He just pays.
Okay, so now they don't pay NMS levy.
Yeah.
But the package
that is where this thing is coming from.
Now, fees, you know, it should be in it. Say, Akolani chair 2,000. Don't let parents pay again. Yeah. I am going to pay. It is believed that amounts now Akolani chair.
Breakdown. I can use my school for example.
Okay.
Most of old boys, you know, a sponsor. What you see?
Okay.
But in other institutions, you know, they don't have that strong old boys, old like girls mine. Base. What you see?
They don't have.
The school Nankasa is handicapped.
Well, yeah, but we know so only the Ghana Education Service.
You do that.
Let's see what prof and the Ghana Education Service.
Yeah, we quite know.
Yes, corporate Ghana.
Let's show what goes into
it. Doesn't.
And then you understand.
President Akufo-Addo Daroma.
Thank you. Yes, corporate Ghana so MWA.
Yes,
okay,
yes,
so me try time 4 minutes, not 35 yeah, sorry. Wow. 2 minutes. A special prosecutor say asemna bedroom and masema make a ever scandal. Asemno. Or see there is reasonable suspicion say corruption and bribery and no high suspicion of corruption and bribery. Name on per se be politicized no. what you all saying was Sunny suggestion.
Last week I hire me can say na investigation ni we ansa na ya ka ho asem. Enti me gina baby a me gina no. But
what kind of still discussions are going on here?
Oh, man, that's Ghana for you, and that is the attitude of these two politicians. Okay. I'm sure, say, and the Okofa excavator who has a MPP Nibaka said, China investigation in you. Okofa Airbus, the NDC workers say China investigation in you. They all know what to do, but when it happens to the other side, they are quick to what? To point.
Thank you.
Say Babu Kraka.
Said
we saw when we did no.
You were near Simpuna.
Are you referring to the MPP?
All of you.
Okay, so Honorable Kogofu, Ubekasa, Ubeba about Tete Chayaba, Pacho.
Airbus.
Yes.
Yes, many.
But yes, I say, SP say, ma yen find your politics, yen depoliticize, you know.
When did you
Debbie.
When it's a matter of criminality, it's an element of crime or in say woman call it
why not establish elements of crime now? What's the reasonable suspicion?
I wouldn't say reasonable suspicion of the crime. Bribery and corruption is a crime. It's a crime.
Okay.
It's reasonable suspicion. Our crime. It is a sanity idea, and Sessa would the Yamayos. In fact, in Yamayosem, and Sessa years a minute the qua, sorry.
Okay.
And Sessa the years and Busiani.
That means what I say, some more radio, Sony TV, so
of course, yeah, me anyway, go for the Yamayosem, dear meaning. But the point, they say, you see, obey G01.
Yep.
And now, yes, you shouldn't be a young. The most obvious description now, because it's here any actually. Because a man could be UTV radio, so the Trin Quabu was a fugu, or cannon so, or Cassa no straight. One will see will be able to.
And we won't think Kamunya.
No, I don't know your politics.
Thank you.
Oh,
I will take a chai.
I believe, sir, the public have the right.
Okay.
To also analyze issues.
Okay.
It is their right. Near special prosecutor no canon. I don't see the effect of what the public is discussing. Because any court are set jury. Jury no discussions and a influence on judgment.
Okay.
What you say?
Okay.
This is a specialized area. Who kwa diemu on the truth or otherwise. What has that got to do with social media commentaries?
It has nothing
to do with
giving a political color.
Onko ye ejuma. Ejuma ye de egu ni su nyina up to now. Ye nya ho faso. Onko ye ejuma. Kasa ni doso.
All right. Thank you, Medasipa. So I'm kasa na eti ntimi so mi twanitia ni asori so ena bedwafo nipa me samba ye no. Honorable Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofu, ye Deputy CEO, Integrated Iron and Steel Development Corporation. Ono otimi sabinkum so pe no. Watene nsa Ultra Honorable Theophilus Tetechai, or ye Greater Accra Regional Secretary Emma NDC. Na the Oto Honorable Tetechai so no Ramutala Mohammed, or ye General Secretary Emma PPP, Progressive People's Party. Papa Preko. Erano me da mwasipa. Midi ye de yakra. Nyame ya domo chena Adekye Nsroma besan aba. Onyame nhyaw. Onti na nimuchew. Ensi ye na ensi nsanu adwuma yi. Enyunu jo akai se obeda Nyankopon ase. Asedane de ya na ehia me pa. Bye bye.